Okay, I'm going to do unboxing of this rice cooker. Actually, I already opened, but this is how it is. Yeah, this is the rice cooker pot, which is like this. And then this is the spoon. Yeah, if you remember last time, yeah, Mr. Mike gave me a rice cooker spoon. And I'm actually going to use it now. I'm going to rinse it first before using. So I have the rice. I have the egg. Yeah, it is now 6:13. Let's see how long it's going to be cooked. It is now 6:29 and it just turned to warm. I actually put cover on the window, on the other window, and in this window. Also here the curtain is on, so no one can see me. Actually, I'm also going to cook noodles. Yeah, remember that I have with this one here. Okay, this is enough. The noodles is overcooked, and the rice, of course. Yo, good morning guys. We are here at the shopping center and heavy rain outside. Let me get my phone. Yeah, it is actually already 11:34. Yeah, I noticed that there is a water leakage. Yeah, in this. It has actually been raining since last night, but yeah, just an hour ago when the leakage shows up here. And that's why I'm here, because this area is a little bit covered. Yeah, and now I'm going to prepare my meal. And if you remember last night, I have these eggs. I'm basically going to cook here in the rice cooker. I have this marinated prawns already with butter. I'll just drop it here. It is not really visible, but it is smoking now. And now I'm going to put some tomato. Look at this. The prawn is almost cooked. Still heavy rain, but now I'm ready to eat. Yeah, this nice prawns and beans, and then this is the leftover. This is going to be my dinner. Plus I still have 2 eggs. Yeah, I keep this in the fridge. Yeah, we're just going to do a little bit of walking around here. Then we go to find a cafe to have a coffee. Should we have just coffee at McDonald's? Or go to that Salamander Hotel? Yeah, we go to Salamander Hotel. But there's so many people, I am shy. But let's see inside, maybe inside less people. It is now 3 o'clock and I am the only person here. No, not 4:37 actually. And I am now the only person here in this area. Yeah, just doing the computer thing. So I was there for a couple of hours, maybe 3, 4, 5 hours. Yeah, I didn't able to show you, but I eat a pizza and the coffee. Yeah, the pizza is $10 and the coffee is $5. There is no rain at the moment. Yeah, but the forecast will be raining in the couple of days. It is now 5:23. I want to stay a little bit more, but yeah, the crowd, yeah, it is getting busy in the area where I am sitting. Those people, they are going to have a dinner. We're going inside again of this shopping mall. This is actually the only coffee shop here inside of the shopping mall. Tomorrow I am back to work and I'll be doing a breakfast. Yeah, these my shirts, still wet from the swimming yesterday, and it smells like food inside here. Yeah, the one that I just cooked. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish 2 o'clock. Actually 2:20 already when I sign out. And look at this. So basically there is a water leaking here. Yeah. In here, something like this. And that one. I don't know where is that coming from. It's only figurable when there is a rain. Anyway, I'm going to prepare my meal. Actually, yeah, the one that I cooked last night. Last night? I don't know if it's last night or 2 days ago. I think 2 days ago. I don't know if this is microwavable. This is a paper. Yeah, this is still a lot. I want to eat just half of it. This rice is too hard because it's cold. And I actually still have this egg. Okay. And I just microwave it. Good, today it's sunny. I don't know if there is going to be a rain. Where's the spoon? Oh, here. I should buy a rice cooker even before. Yeah, that I start staying in the camper van. Yeah, because with the rice cooker I can actually fry. I can cook vegetable. Yeah. Just like this one, a lot of vegetable. Because the rice cooker that I have, the blue one, the green one, it's too small. But my rice cooker in the house before, it's actually high wattage. So it's not good for camper van, not good for my battery. This one that I have now, the new one, is just 500 watts. So it doesn't consume a lot of battery. Actually, this kettle 680 to 800 watts. So it consumes more battery than the new rice cooker. Yeah, than this one. This rice cooker from Kmart is just 500 watts. I really created this bench, this bed to be this high, to be this low. Yeah, this because I want to wash the dishes when I am sitting down like this. But I always forget. I always wash these dishes like this. And it's not good at the back, always bending. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. It is good, there is no rain last night, but yeah, now I see that there is also a leakage here. First this one, and now here. Yeah, little water. I don't know when I'm going to take this off. Yeah, actually this one is easy to remove. Also easy to put back, but yeah, this one is the difficult one. But I'm not going to remove this. I am going to eat. I still have this. Yeah, this one. Still good. Just microwave it. Also this rice, just microwave it. Oh, I did not able to continue vlogging because I fall asleep and it is dark now. Yeah, it's actually still need to watch this. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are at the moment here in the Aquatic Center. And today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. What time is it? I think it's already 3:30 or 4:30. I'm not sure. Or 4 o'clock maybe. Yeah, I can't decide. Should I go to swim or run? Yeah, I feel like just running. So this morning I realized that this is actually creating a noise. Yeah, so basically this is my like the bed frame. Yeah, and so when I am sleeping here, Yeah, like this. And the heat of my body is actually creating a moist down here in the bed frame. Yeah, I touched it, accidentally touched it this morning. So that's why I put this one. I wipe it and it's now dry. I'm going to run over there. Actually, there are many people there. I mean, not many, but there are a group of people. They are playing. There's also a family. Okay, I'm not going to run. I'll be staying here instead. I'm going to do kind of a beep test. I need to get the speaker because using just my phone and then AirPods, yeah, it lost the connection between the phone. That is tiring, but yeah, this one that I did is much better than the previous time, because this time I was able to do level 4, 8. Last time just up to level 4. So it's good, there's improvement. So I just finished
level 7 1.
I just finished yeah, another set, another level.
Level 7.
Now I'm tired again. Yeah, and now more and more people are coming. They are actually going to that yeah, playground. That's it. Very tired already.